chopped though. So going to trust in nothing your assistance goes. Take a running break, and I'll do my best to fix this. Trust me. Okay, just let us know if you need anything. Okay. What was I thinking? Everything's perfect, it's blurry, but I'm proud. Like a commercial, everyone's got a brow. But there's no trace of smiles on their faces. They're standing with looks I can't place. The strains of change has left my head in such pain. Leaves are ringing, the lights are beaming. The air is spinning, something seeming like you're not singing. You're screaming. My head's cracking, like it's dripping down. But I can't trust it, it's dripping down. The table's empty. I think we're on the way. Let's just tell us not to be so I'll be my part. Cause it doesn't really started. Ready or not, but you are in there. So you kiss this past your Christmas tree. And my head tiny smile. Like the best of the party. Let's crack it. 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.